is Debbie, and I'm one of the Adult Services Librarians at Mullica Hill. For today's edition of What's Cooking, I'm going to show you how to make an easy smoothie using ingredients that you may already have. My smoothie requires 4 things: a juice, I use orange juice, a yogurt, and today I've got vanilla yogurt, a banana. I like to save the older bananas that I don't care for making smoothies, and frozen fruit. Today I've got frozen strawberries and blueberries. And then of course you need a blender. So you always want to put the ingredients in this order. First the juice, the liquids, and I'm going to use about 3/4 of a cup of orange juice. Next, the solids, and I've got my vanilla yogurt. I'm going to get all of it in there. Next, the banana. If some of the strings are attached, it's okay. You're not going to notice it. And since it's not frozen, I will let the blender chop it up. And then my frozen fruit. Okay. And now we are going to blend. It's going to be quite loud, so cover your ears. Check it. Looks pretty blended. I'm going to do it just one more time. All right. Oh, yes, that looks great. So I'm going to put it in a glass. And I plan to share this, so I won't take all of it. Put in a straw. And enjoy it. It's very good. Fruity. Thanks for joining me.